Hello, my name is Nathan, and right now I'm just going to really quickly demonstrate how my Spotify API works. So, right off the bat, it's made off of JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and React. The HTML and CSS are just used for decorating the website and making it look nice. The React is for functionality and for using buttons and that kind of thing. And the JavaScript is for doing the main heavy lifting of the program, namely fetching like information from the API, generating the access token, and redirecting the user to the authorization page. So it's currently being locally hosted, so I'm just going to open it up from my local host. And you can see right off the bat, I'm just going to make this full size. I'm redirected to the login page. I'm asked to approve the API being able to read information about my profile, like my library and top songs, and to be able to take actions on my behalf, like create playlists. So obviously I'm going to agree to that. And you can see I'm taken to the home page, which is currently the only page, but in the page there's a picture of my profile picture, which was taken using a call to the API asking for profile data. And then from there, the main functionality of this program is to be able to generate playlists using my top songs and based on constraints. So for example, if I pull up my Spotify right now, you can see that there's different types of playlists I can choose. So for example, a dance playlist, acoustic playlist, singing playlist. And the idea is that if you have a lot of songs that you like, and you like listening to those songs, but sometimes you only want to listen to the sad ones or the happy ones, you can create a playlist using this app just on your own. And it'll instantly be created in your Spotify. So just to demonstrate, I'm going to create a dance playlist. And you can see that a danceable playlist has just showed up in my library. And it has some arguably danceable songs. One of the big constraints with using the API was that it only allows you to pull 50 songs from your top songs at once. So that was something that I had to work with. And currently, my solution is just to have fewer songs. So yeah. Uh, and then I can also pull out a sad playlist. And it's interesting that a lot of the sad songs are classical songs. And that's because the way that these playlists are created is using the audio features attribute of the Spotify API library. Essentially, you can access Spotify's own ratings or scores for songs on different items like danceability, speechiness, speed. You can find their like tempo, like in BPM, and how happy or sad Spotify thinks they are. And so essentially the way I've created the sad playlist is finding songs that are slower in BPM and also combining that with songs that have low valence, which is Spotify's name for songs that are associated with sad or angry feelings. So yeah, that's just kind of how my API works. I'm just going to pull a few more playlists. Um, but yeah, thank you for watching.